Welcome to Miniatures.de, your military miniatures magazine. In this issue, we are going to take a look at a Matchbox 1:76 scale plastic model kit named Krupp Protze Kfz 69. At first glance, the model in this kit may indeed look like a German Kfz 69 Protzkraftwagen limber motor vehicle, but it isn't. The vehicle is an early Krupp L2 H43 Schnauzer 1.5-ton light 6x4 all-terrain truck produced from 1933 to 1936. Popularly known as the Schnauzer because of its iconic snout, this truck was primarily produced as the Kfz 70 personnel carrier variant. The civilian headlights you see here have had camouflage covers installed to reduce the amount of light they will emit. The vehicle was then also fitted with a no-tech Tarnscheinwerfer blackout light for camouflaged night driving near the front. This is one of two spare wheels stowed on either side of the cab so that they don't get into the way of the crew. Apart from this hatchet, there are other Pioneer tools on the vehicle, but they are incomplete and, what's worse, they appear to be glued in place when they should be strapped to the truck for easy access. This pickaxe is a typical Matchbox item which looks more like a flimsy sailboat anchor than a serious unditching tool for the crew. Here we have another hatchet, but a shovel or spade is nowhere to be seen. Good luck getting this truck unstuck during Rasputitsa. Kfz 69 was a dedicated artillery tractor with ammunition stowage bins and seating for a crew of 6, the driver and 5 gunners, 4 of whom sat in pairs of 2 forward and rear facing seats. None of that can be seen here because this is clearly not the Kfz 69 artillery variant. It's just a simple cargo truck with benches attached to the sidewalls of the cargo bay. As luck would have it, Matchbox actually modeled the more common Kfz 70 Mannschaftstransportwagen personnel carrier variant, which seats an infantry section of 12, 2 in the cab and 10 in the back. This is great because we can now deploy several of these Kfz 70 personnel carriers to motorize our infantry platoons in war games. It's a tight fit, but with a little ingenuity, we should be able to fit an infantry module of 8 seated figures into this truck. There are commercially produced Kfz 69 artillery bodies in this scale, which may be used to convert the truck into an artillery tractor, but the infantry carrier variant is the more useful of the two. There you have it. You only need a platoon's worth of these light trucks to upgrade your footsore infantry to Panzergrenadiers motorized. Thank you for watching. For more information, you're welcome to visit our website at miniatures.de.